Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Here I am back with another YouTube video. Here I am starting to teach you about the PTE modules. So let's get started. So what is PTE first of all? PTE is English test for study visa or any other visa to get admission in study abroad. So PTE contains 4 modules which are speaking, writing, reading and listening. Same as IELTS test, but in the IELTS there are no different tasks in each module, but in PTE there are 20 different tasks in different modules. In PTE there is integrated scoring and the exam time is 2 hours. Previously, the exam time of PT was 3 hours, but now they have removed the break and now the exam time is 2 hours. So, in PT, now there is no break in the exam. So, you have only 2 hours to get the PT test done. So now let's get started to learn more about how many number of questions they are asking in each module of PT and how they are scoring and what you should prepare and what you should not. So you can get a better idea about this. So first of all, let's get started with the speaking module, PT speaking module. So there are around 5 different tasks, which are read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture and answer short questions. These are 5 different tasks in speaking module. In read aloud, number of questions they are asking is 6 to 7. In repeat sentence, number of questions they are asking is around 10 to 12. In describe image, number of questions they are asking 3 to 4. In retell lecture, number of questions they are asking 1 to 2. In answer short question, number of questions they are asking 5 to 6. So these are number of questions they are asking in each task. Next, you have writing module. So we are going line by line. First of all, they will ask speaking, then writing, then reading and then listening. Listening will be the last module in the exam and speaking will be the first module in the exam. So in the writing module, there will be a 2 tasks in the exam. 2 tasks are summarize written text and writing essay. So number of questions for the summarized writing test is 1 to 2 and writing essay would be 1 to 2 as well. So it depends. The number of questions are vary person to person. So we can't give the exact number of questions to you. So next, PT reading module. So time for this reading module would be 29 to 30 minutes. It's the total time of this module to get the reading task done. So there would be 5 different tasks in this module, which are reading and writing blanks, MCQ single answers, reorder paragraphs, MCQ multiple answers and reading blanks. So first of all, reading and writing blanks, number of questions will be 5 to 6. MCQ single answers, number of questions will be 1 to 2. Reorders paragraphs, number of questions would be 2 to 3. MCQ multiple answers, number of questions will be 1 to 2. Reading blanks, number of questions would be 4 to 5. So you should consider the total time as well. Next, this would be the last module in the PTE exam, which is listening module, and the total time of the listening module would be 30 to 43 minutes. So these are the different tasks in listening modules. Summarize spoken text. Number of questions would be 1 to 2 and it has a 10 minutes to get this task done for you. Next task would be MCQ multiple answers and number of questions would be 1 to 2. Fill in the blanks would be 2 to 3. Highlight correct summary would be 1 to 2. MCQ single answer would be 1 to 2. Select missing words would be 1 to 2. Highlight incorrect words would be 2 to 3 and write from dictation would be 3 to 4. Write from dictation is main part of the listening module. So let's get started about the tips about scoring. PT total score is calculated out of 90 marks. Speaking, read aloud, repeat sentences, and retell lecture content part goes in the reading and listening module. Speaking, read aloud, repeat sentence, and retell lecture oral fluency and pronunciation go towards speaking. The score can change a bit depending on your exam pattern. So, for example, if you leave paper blank in the exam, still you will get 10 marks in the PT exam. So that's how the scoring system works. So you just need to focus first of all in read aloud, repeat sentence, and write from dictation if you are beginner in the PT exam. And next we will cover all the modules step by step in each video. So please subscribe the channel if you like the videos and share it as much as you can. In the next upcoming videos, I will be explaining all the tasks in each modules in details, and I will share all the templates that are required in modules. Till then, work hard. Have a good one.